Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accomplish IAS Determination, Dedication, Destination. As we are daily discussing data or place related to map, which has been news at weekly basis. So today we will discuss in these sessions our social bubble, North Korea, Korea issue, and its their location in map, Coral Triangle, Daulat Beg, Aldi, Challenger Deep, Vamsadhara River dispute, and Ethai Barrage. Let's discuss. Before discussing the news or map base, please answer the question in comment section. These four questions are related to previous session. Please answer the questions in comment section. So our first topic is social bubble. Social bubble concept was in news when New Zealand declared itself COVID-free country. In this social bubble concept, people and their relative put in close boundary or house, and all the essential services are provided by the government time to time. So let's see the locations of New Zealand in the map. Let's see with respect to the India. New Zealand is far in east. This is New Zealand, Tasman Sea, and Bay of Plenty north. Look at that. Is it visible? Okay. Now Hawken Sea, Hakko Bay, sorry, and Plenty Bay, Cook Strait. These things are in news from the last year. Okay, so it is very important from the UPSC point of view. Okay, and there is one more state very important because just in south, Phoenix State. Okay, and its capital is Wellington. Everyone know the Christchurch agenda. It is very important city. It was also in news. Let's back to the topic. I have attached this file in the presentation and had highlighted these places: Bay of Plenty, Lake Taupo, Mount Taranaki, Cook Strait, Christchurch, Phoenix Strait, Stewart Island, Tasman Sea. These things or cities are places are in news from the previous year, so it is very important. Okay, let's do next topic. Recently, last week, North Korea announced that South Korea has an enemy, and tension between two countries are at high. So already we discussed these two places in map. These North Korea, South Korea, Pyongyang, and Seoul, and 38 parallel line. This is line passing through between the North Korea and South Korea. Let's look at the map once again. Look at that Sea of Japan in the north, Yellow Sea in the south. This is Seoul. Seoul is the capital of South Korea. North Korea's capital is Pyongyang. Okay, it's important. Just revise one more time: Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, East China Sea, and South China Sea. We cover this portion. Okay. Coral Triangle. 9 June celebrated as a Coral Triangle every year. Corals are the habitat and livelihood of many marine organism. Country which cover in the coral triangles are Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Timor-Leste, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Island. Look at this world map again. Look at that. It is very important area. Okay. First we will check where is Malaysia. Malaysia is that. Okay. Look at this portion and this portion. Malaysia. I already attached one pic, but I want to see in the map first. Indonesia with Banda Sea. Okay. Timor-Leste. Okay. Just in south. This is very important, this portion. this state. You may find that. Look at that. Sangyang. Okay. Krakatoa, active volcanism. Okay. New Guinea, Solomon. Let's see. India constructed strategic road at Daulat Beg Oldi, near a line of actual control in Leh Ladakh, and it was opposed by the China. Look at this position. Already we discussed this map, this location in deep in last session. Okay, and this slide is help to attempt the third question which I asked today. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Challenger Deep. It is the deepest spot in the ocean, known as the deepest known point in the Earth ocean, with depth around 10,984 meter, and located in the western Pacific Ocean at the southern end of the Mariana Trench. So Mariana Trench is also important from the UPSC point of view. Let's look at this pic which I found important. Okay, look at that. Sorry, Mariana Trench, Serena Deep, Guam. Challenger Deep is there just below the Mariana Trench. Okay, I found it in the Mariana Trench. Okay, next topic. Vamsadhara water. First of all, Vamsadhara river is flowing between the Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh is planning to build a Naradi bridge over the Vamsadhara river with the consent of Odisha government. That was why it was in news last weekly, and it lies between Rushikula and Godavari. Okay, look at this portion of its basin. Okay, this is the one of the Vamsadhara basin flowing from the Odisha and fall in Bay of Bengal from the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and this is Naradi Barrage. Barrages means the way of to where distributed the water in different stream. Okay, barrage in different stream of controlling the water of flow. It helps in so many ways. Barrage. Next topic. Again, the Ethai barrage. Already telling you that barrage is used into controlling the flow of water, and also used to distribute the water in different streams or channels. Okay, so recently the Ethai barrage in Manipur are suggested to the central government to decommission. Okay, so it is confluence of Imphal river between the Imphal river and Tuthi river. So these are also important, these two river, Imphal river and Tuthi river, and these provide a sufficient amount of water to the Loktak lake. Let's look at this map. Look at the Loktak. Barrages helps to provide sufficient water to Loktak and Imphal river. Okay, and there is also Tuthi river. Thank you so much, guys. We will discuss next topic next week at the same time. Stay home, stay safe, follow us on this Telegram channel.